Hi, ma'am. So here's the part where I contributed in the group, where even numbers has been entered by the user and identify what number is even. So the number will go in the for loop, where the loop identify if the number has been entered in 10 digit. So the 10 digit will go in the if statement, wherein the condition is if the numbers are even. So what exactly will happen is if the number entered is divided by 2 and has no remainder, that will be counted as 0. And if 0 is equals to 0, the condition will be true. So the number entered by the user will be displayed and vice versa. Example is the 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. The remainder is 0 because it's full number. So the condition is if 0 equals to 0, this will be true. So the 20 has been displayed in the example. However, in the odd numbers, if the number entered by the user has remainder, that will be counted as 1. And if the condition is equals to 1, it will be true. So the remainder will also display. So example here is 20 divided by 2. Same example kanina. So 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. The remainder is 0. So the condition is if 0 is equals to 1, the condition is false. So the number will not be displayed because it's not an odd number. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
So, good morning, Ma'am Balderrama. I'm Ezekiel Berdin. So, yung part ko is yung dito sa ascending. So, yung nangyayari dito sa condition na to or dito sa choice na to, kapag pinili ng user yung ascending, yun. So, pag nag-input yung user ng mga number, a-arrange siya to in ascending order. So, yung nangyayari dito sa 61 hanggang 66, sa line 66 is yung kada loop niya, mag-swap siya ng variable dun sa temp, pati dun sa num-i and num-j. Then, pag greater than yung mga numbers, yun, magpapalit-palit sila hanggang mapunta sila sa designated place nila. Yun, maglo-loop lang to ng maglo-loop din hanggang mapunta sila sa designated place nila. Then, mapiprint na yung ascending order dun sa mga in-input mong numbers. Then, next is tong descending. So, halos the same lang din siya nung dito sa ascending. Pinagkaiba lang is less than yun dito, isa line 80. So, yun yung mangyayari dito. Kada loop niya din, mag-i-swap siya ng variable dun sa temp. Then, pati dun sa num.j tsaka sa num.i. Then, Tapos kapag less than yung mga numbers, magpapalit-palit, yun, magpapalit-palit, palit yung mga numbers hanggang sa papunta sila dun sa designated place nila. Yun, which is nga yung descending order na choice. So yun, after ma-process nun, yung in-input na number ng user is naka-descending order na siya. Ayun na yung pinaka-output.
Good day, everyone. I am Roy Orlando Jr., and I'm here to discuss code lines 1 to 32. So here we have import java.util.scanner. This imports a class that will be used to create a scanner object, which is used to input alphanumeric characters. Then we have public class arrays, which is the name of the code file. Public static void main string bracket args. Here we have menu parenthesis semicolon. This is a user-defined method that is used to transfer the program control to the called method, which is menu parenthesis. Now we go to public static method, menu parenthesis, which is the called method. Scanner input equals new scanner system.in. Uh, this is used to get the user input with the input right here, input as the scanner object. System.out.print enter 10-digit numbers. This this line here is printed to for you to enter 10-digit numbers. After that, after those words, here we have int num bracket equals new int 10. This is this line here is declaring an array with the size of 10 numbers, which means you will input 10 numbers in temp. Here in temp is a variable that contains one single element of that array that will be inputted by the user. Here we have for int I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. I equals 0 is an initialization, which initializes counter executed once before the loop begins. I less than 10 is termination, which means the loop repeats while this expression is correct, and then it stops once the expression becomes false. Num bracket I equals input dot next int. Here we will input the numbers that we want with the limit of 10 numbers. Then we go to system out.print int menu, even index, odd index, ascending order, and descending order. Here are the choices for what you want the output to be once you input the numbers that you want. Even index will eventually output even numbers. Odd index will output odd numbers. Ascending order will output the numbers in ascending order, and descending order will output the numbers in descending order. Only if you pick one of those. Then this line here is just for space purposes. Then system out dot print in, which display do you want? This will output, and you will be asked to display, or you will be asked what number display you want to have. As I've said earlier, then you will in this line here, you will input what what type of display you want your numbers to be. Either even, odd, ascending order, or descending order. This system out that print in, the display you want is plus this will will output the sentence plus the display word that you want. For example, you pick even to be displayed. So the display you want is even. And then another system out that print in for space purposes. That is all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Luis Rafael Arcangales from Group A+, and I will show you the codes that we had made about the Lotto in our final case study. As you can see here, 642 Lotto, and these are the display of the winning numbers that you will get if you win. At line 28, system out that print, enter 6-digit number, and we used the for loop to enter 6-digit. Guess I is equals to key that next int. This is where you will enter, and if the digit you have entered is less than 1 or and more than 42, the out it will output invalid. Please try again. So after you entered 6-digit number, it will output here, and then this Lotto number lottery will call a method that we had made here at the bottom side part of the code, where this is where the lottery number goes. So we made a looping statement for the Lotto. This is where the random number is created, and then if lottery x is equals to lottery number, this code check if the same random number has been generated before, and if it has been generated before, this code is to initialize a new and generate a new number. Then this code restarts the loop, and then it will loop up to 6 times. That's all.
Hello, I'm Steve Destambot. In line 55, int match count equal to 0. For int I is equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j less than 6, j plus plus. If guess 0 is equal to lottery 0, match count plus plus. If yung guess number na in-input ay equal sa lottery number na na-generate ng math random numbers, ay mag-match count plus plus ito. Tapos uulit-ulit sa line 56. Tapos mag-i plus plus yung I magiging 1. And j plus plus yung j magiging 1. Magpa plus 1 lang ito, at if guess 1 equals to lottery 1, match count pa plus 1 plus and uulit-ulit ang itong at uulit ito hanggang mapunta sa limit of 6 digits or numbers. Sa line 63, if 6 na number ang match count sa pag-guess mo doon sa winning random numbers, ay mag-output yung program na congratulations, you got 6 winning numbers, you won 9 million. And the same lang din sa magiging output kung ano ang prices sa 5 for 3 winning numbers. Thank you.